Knuckles in the snow. Oh yeah. I like a snow kicker. Oh yeah. Knuckles in the snow.
The end. What? That's it? That's stupid! It's too bloody short! No one's gonna buy this! We want more! So they want more, huh? Well, I'll give them more. Continuing.
Knuckles pure frozen. Woohoo! Ow!
Woohoo! It's a nice snowy day! Now it's time for your bounce! Woohoo!
Are you okay? No. That stupid, whoever his name is, they called him Mario, whatever his name is. Look what he done to me! I'm so frozen! And he bounced me off that trampoline! That stupid plumber needs to be taught a lesson. I'm just so fuming. Oh my god. This is why Knuckles don't juggle with fun. Ugh. Yeah, I hate him too. Because he pranks me with me a lot though. And it makes me jealous. He thinks he's so perfect. You know what? We should teach him a lesson. Yeah, what kind of lesson? Yeah. We can do a lot of pranks. Now listen, don't let Mario get to you, okay? Because we're gonna prank him. Yeah, we're gonna prank him already. Wah! Because you and I should team up to be more. Do you mean stand up to ourselves? Yeah, to stand up to ourselves. We stand up. I stand up to you. I'm Wario, by the way. Wario. What about you? I'm Knuckles. I'm Knuckles don't chuckle. Yeah, that's the spirit. Knuckles don't chuckle. Yeah, that's the spirit. Now, all we need to do, I'm gonna stand up to you, and we can team up together, and to prank Mario back. Teach Mario a lesson. Just beat the living crap out of him. Yeah, with snow. Yeah, I like the spirit. Snow, yes. Yeah, now, that's the spirit. Because Knuckles and Wario. Yeah, we should team up. So, yeah. Because we don't want him to be snowed in. Yeah, snow. Because Mario's going to be snowed in, snowed out. We're going to beat the living snow out of him. Yeah, we're going to beat the living snow out of him. Yeah. Yeah, that's the spirit. Yeah. Ah! Yeah, that's me, Knuckles. I'm Knuckles don't chuckle. Well, call me the snow. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, Knuckles. Wow. Yeah, you're up, Wario. Show what you got. Or show me what you got. Yeah, you said it, Knuckles. Yes, it's no Wario. What about you, Knuckles? Oh yeah, I'm Snow Knuckles. Yeah, check me out, man. We're a beast. We're a beast. Yeah. We are the beast, man. We are the mother chucker. Mother chucker. Or to say, Knuckles don't chuckle. And I'm Wario. Wario Smash. Dude, that's Incredible Hulk, man. I know, but this is my own version now. Damn, I'm so snowed. Hey, Knuckles, check this out. A Wario print. Oh, yeah, man, it's so kind of cool, man. I know, right? Because I'm Wario. With a white butt. Wah!
So let me try. Yo, yo, yo.
I got an idea.
Well, I'm gonna spoil your fun. And I'm going to do worth a lot in that.
Not today!
What's wrong, Wario, my old friend? You think you're going to attack me with all your strength? Woohoo!
Screw you, Mario! Screw your fault! Yeah, screw you!
Screw me! I don't care! Woohoo! And by the way, have fun, Nuggets! You don't chuckle! And by the way, again, see you later, Wario fat butt! Woohoo!
That stupid Mario figure can get away from it! Look at me! I am so smooth! I know, man! Then Mario should pay! Look at me! Look at us! I know, man! Oh, this is so stupid! Screw this stupid snow! I'm fed up with that stupid Mario! But wait! I got a plan! Let's do my plan, okay?
Well, what do you think they're up to now? Looks like someone's going to pop by. Woohoo!
Wario the genius! Once that Mario goes into the pit of snow, he'll think it was a snow pool! Wah! Yeah, you are a genius! Wario the genius, man! We don't chuckle! That's right! Your knuckles, you don't chuckle! And you, Wario the genius! You're the WarioWare! Yeah! I like it! Wah! Yeah, you're WarioWare! WarioWare! Knuckles don't chuckle! Yeah, you my buddy! Yeah, you my buddy, man, too! So look, he's coming, man! Yeah.
What you doing?
Mario! What a surprise! We just saved you a snow pool!
A snow pool? I must insist. I got to try it out. Thank you. And I'm very sorry what happened to all of you. And I do apologize. But by the way, I'm gonna try out the snow pool. Woohoo!
Wah! Looks like you got snow, man! Yes, not just snow! Bring it up! Get that, Mario! You get snowed! You get snowed! You get snowed! You get snowed! That's it! You can snow this! You can snow that! That's it! You're getting frickin' snowed! 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 Getting snow, Wario!
Mamma mia! Please stop! 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 Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop! Okay, Mamma mia! Mamma mia!
Only if you don't muck with us again! Yeah, screw you!
I'm sorry, I'm just having a little bit of fun!
Shut up! I don't care about your stupid fun. That's what you get. Yes, I'm Knuckles that don't chuckle. Hear me roar!
Okay, I promise not to break again. I was just having a bit of fun, but you didn't seem to take it. Okay, can you please help me?
Well, let me think about it. Nah!
I've been snowed for my entire life.